koalas, scientifically known as Phascolarctos cinereus, are iconic Australian marsupials recognized for their unique appearance and arboreal lifestyle. Often mistakenly called koala bears, they are not bears, but rather belong to a distinct group of mammals called marsupials. These creatures carry and nurse their young in pouches, similar to kangaroos, primarily found in the eucalyptus forests of eastern and southeastern Australia. Koalas inhabit regions in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. They are specially adapted to live in trees, where they spend most of their lives. Koalas are well known for their thick, woolly fur, large ears, and distinctive nose. Their fur color ranges from gray to brown, with lighter patches on their chest, ears, and sometimes the underside of their limbs. Koalas have strong, sharp claws that help them climb trees with ease. Each paw has 5 digits, with 2 digits on the front paws opposable to the others, enabling a better grip on branches. Their hind paws have a grooming claw to help keep their fur clean. These adaptations are crucial for their arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to navigate the trees effortlessly. Eucalyptus leaves are the primary diet of koalas, making up almost 100% of their food intake. These leaves are tough, fibrous, and low in nutrition, requiring koalas to have specialized digestive systems. They possess a longsacum, which helps in breaking down the fibrous leaves and extracting the limited nutrients available. Koalas are quite selective about the eucalyptus species they eat, often preferring only a few out of the hundreds available. This selective feeding behavior is due to the varying levels of toxins present in different eucalyptus species. Koalas are known for their low metabolic rate, which is an adaptation to their nutrient-poor diet. This slow metabolism allows them to conserve energy, spending up to 18 to 20 hours a day sleeping or resting. The remaining hours are spent feeding, grooming, and occasionally moving between trees. Their sedentary lifestyle also helps in reducing energy expenditure. Reproduction in koalas is a fascinating aspect of their biology. The breeding season typically occurs between September and March. Female koalas have a gestation period of about 35 days, after which they give birth to a single, underdeveloped joey. The newborn joey, which is about the size of a jelly bean, crawls into its mother's pouch, where it continues to develop for several months. Inside the pouch, the joey attaches itself to a teat, receiving nourishment and growing steadily. After about 6 months, the joey starts to venture out of the pouch. Riding on its mother's back, it begins to explore its environment and sample eucalyptus leaves. By the time it is 1 year old, the joey is typically weaned and becomes more independent, although it may stay close to its mother for a few more months. Female koalas reach sexual maturity at about 2 to 3 years of age, while males mature slightly later, around 3 to 4 years. Koalas communicate through a range of vocalizations, including bellows, grunts, and snores. These sounds are particularly prominent during the breeding season, with males bellowing to attract females and establish their territory. Koalas also use scent markings to communicate, rubbing their chest glands on trees to leave a scent that signals their presence to other koalas. Despite their cuddly appearance, koalas face numerous threats in the wild. Habitat destruction due to urban development, agriculture, and forestry has significantly reduced their natural habitat. As eucalyptus forests are cleared or fragmented, koalas are forced to traverse dangerous ground in search of food and shelter, making them vulnerable to vehicle collisions and dog attacks. Disease also poses a significant threat to koala populations. Chlamydia, a bacterial infection, is widespread among koalas and can cause blindness, infertility, and even death. This disease, coupled with habitat loss, has led to declining koala populations in many areas. Climate change further exacerbates their plight, as extreme weather events like droughts and bushfires destroy eucalyptus forests and reduce the availability of fresh leaves. conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of koalas. Various organizations and government bodies are working to protect and restore koala habitats, promote tree planting, and create wildlife corridors that allow koalas to move safely between fragmented habitats. Research into disease management and treatment is also ongoing, with scientists striving to develop vaccines and other interventions to combat chlamydia in koala populations. Public awareness and education play a vital role in koala conservation. By raising awareness about the challenges koalas face and encouraging community involvement in conservation efforts, we can help ensure a future for these unique and beloved animals. Simple actions like planting eucalyptus trees, supporting conservation organizations, and driving carefully in koala habitats can make a significant difference. In captivity, koalas serve as ambassadors for their species, helping to educate the public about the importance of conservation. Zoos and wildlife sanctuaries around the world provide opportunities for people to learn about koalas and the threats they face, while supporting breeding programs that contribute to the genetic diversity and health of captive populations. Koalas are a vital part of Australia's natural heritage and hold a special place in the hearts of people around the world. Their survival depends on our collective efforts to protect and preserve their habitats, address threats, and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at these remarkable marsupials. Through dedicated conservation efforts and increased public awareness, we can work towards a future where koalas thrive in the wild once again. In conclusion, koalas are more than just a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. They are an integral part of the ecosystem, playing a role in maintaining the health and diversity of eucalyptus forests. Protecting koalas and their habitats not only safeguards a beloved species, but also helps preserve the broader environmental health of the regions they inhabit. By understanding and addressing the challenges koalas face, we can contribute to a sustainable future for these remarkable animals and the ecosystems they call home.